रब वर्गा दिलदार है रब वर्गा
Hi Bandhus, we actually are with a very special person who's come to the Bay Area, and of course, you know, I love the song which he has made from his movie. All the songs actually.
Everything in all his movies actually. And we are with the one and only Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra who's here with us. You've heard all the ganas that have played on our radio, and we've talked so much about his movies, every one of them, right from Rang De Basanti, Delhi 6, Bhag Milka Bhag even. And today we have the wonderful opportunity of speaking to him in person. Thank you so much for joining us today, Rakesh ji.
Thank you, Faltu Rani and Altu Bhaiya.
You call me Bhaiya, it's nice. I thank you very much for that.
Absolutely.
Well, so I would ask you a quick question actually. You know, all your movies have inspired people, and they're all about inspiring and inspirational stories you've taken. A question for you was, what inspires you to create such inspirational movies?
I guess the people, and it's the heroes in my life are the common people of India, and whenever I look at them, and they've got so much going against them, and yet they go out there and do what they have to do. So constantly, every day when I step out, for me, they are my real heroes, and I try and tell stories about them. Yeah.
Beautiful.
And you do an incredible job, if we may say. I mean, choti mo badi baat hoti hai, but we really love every one of the movies. I mean, you can see the depth and the detail in even the characterization to the music and everything in the movies. So a quick question for you would be, in terms of the way you make your films, you do probably, it takes about a year. It takes, you know, what you're famous for, and what we've always talked about on the radio is that it takes, you know, you make one movie a year, and that's mind-bogglingly wonderful. So is there a reason why it takes that long, or why you, could you talk to us a little bit about the process?
It's a time-consuming process, because I write my films and I produce them and then I direct them. Direction takes the least amount of time. Writing and producing takes time. With the kind of subjects there are no ready buyers. So we've created a space for ourselves, a niche, and now the market is believing in these kind of products. But when you went out, it was extremely difficult. You had to invest your own money and everything you had. Mm-hmm. So that took time, and I don't think movies are something which can be made instantly or with formulas. They are not fast food. The slower you cook them, the better they become, because the stories kind of reveal themselves to you, and it's like a good novel or a good story you read it once and you like it, and then you read it again and it's a different story altogether the second time, and then you read it again. That's why you keep certain movies and books in your library. And why do we read them again and again? If you ever ask yourself that question, is because every time it means something new to you, at the same time promising you what you had gained first time out of it. So I think I would like to approach movies as being perpetual rather than being a Friday event.
So I want to ask you last question. Of course, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us. TiECon actually has inspired many people here, and you're here. Your talk at TiECon was very inspirational. I should say that. For our listeners who are listening right now, any words of wisdom you can share with them?
नहीं, आलतू भैया आलतू भैया फालतू रानी विजडम बहुत मुश्किल है शेयर करना. I don't think I'm qualified for that. You just need to keep on doing what you have to do and keep believing in it and keep listening to your inner voice, and that's about it. And just go out there and have fun, and as sincerely as possible you can, and there's no magic there.
मुझे याद करती हो?